I'm going to go ahead and adjust the pressure by turning the adjustment screw to the left, or counterclockwise we can decrease the pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and go back, zero out the sensor again. 2, 1. There it is, zeroed out. There is 3.8. Let's go ahead and lower it some more. Lowering it. There's 3.5. And that right there is just about perfect. 3.42. I'm going to go back up with it just a little bit. And you can see it's running fine now. There's exactly 3.5. Okay. So it's running perfect. We had a problem with the gas pressure being too high.